water has been a major global issue that is rising rapidly and poses major threat for the future generation. In the recent news, we have witnessed the severe effect of water scarcity. Once, the city of Lake, commonly known as Bengaluru, where the residents have been affected with severe lack of water, even for their daily use. Such incidents require creative and long-term solutions. So, as a minor amphiphile, I came up with an idea of saving water while providing adequate supply of water for plants. Hello everyone, I am Yangi from STS Gurupura Class 10. The name of my module is Double Irrigation. To make this module, I have used simple and easily available materials such as plastic bottle, small potted plant, this long bottom holds plastic container, pot stand and cotton cloth. Now let me show you the construction of this model. On a pot stand, place the bottom holds long plastic container with plants. The top covering lid has a hole where a potted plant with holes at the bottom are placed, like this. The potted plant is covered with another top-cut plastic bottle, just like this. The whole setup is connected using a cotton cloth. Here. Now let me show you how this model works. First of all, I will pour some water in this plant, like this. Now I'll cover it with this half-cut plastic bottle. It will help prevent water loss by transpiration by trapping the water vapor which is coming to the stomata, like this. Now the water will go down into the soil and the plant will absorb it. The excess water is drained and it drips and irrigates the second plant, like this. You see? Now the second plant is irrigated. The plant also absorbs the water. Now the excess water will come out and will be stored in this pot stand. Now by using this cotton cloth, the water is absorbed and you have to put it in this hole, like this. Now if you leave it overnight, the cotton will absorb all the excess water and it will transfer it to here. It will transfer in an upward direction due to capillary action. Now since the water reaches here, it drips down and it again irrigates this plant and later this plant. Like the cycle of irrigation continues. So since the same water is used to irrigate two different plants, it is called double irrigation. This module works on three basic scientific principles. That is, first, transpiration. Only 2% of the total water absorbed by the plants is used in photosynthesis and other activities. The rest is lost in atmosphere as water vapor by the process called transpiration. In order to prevent the loss of water by transpiration, this module has a closed setup where the plant on upper step is covered. The second principle is the law of capillary action, which makes the movement of water in cloth possible. That is, the adhesion and cohesion force being placed in the fabric makes the upward movement of water possible. As for the choice of fabric, cotton would be a good budget-friendly material to work with. Cotton effectively exhibits capillary effect. Synthetic material like nylon would not work. Other natural fabrics such as wool, which show better wicking abilities but are more expensive than cotton. So I infer cotton as our top choice. The third scientific principle is the principle of reuse. The reuse of materials, especially the non-biodegradable plastic, will have greater benefits in the present as well as future by reducing pollution. Production and utilization of this model in large scale helps in reducing more plastics, resulting in greater beneficial impact on our environment. Now, let me share some benefit about this model. This idea creates a self-sustaining plant where the plant gets hydrated automatically without much wastages. Such ideas can create independence for the plant owner who can now go for long vacation without worrying about watering their plants. In large scale, such as gardeners, plant nurseries and greenhouse setups, this idea can not only help save time but also help reduce wastage of large amount of water and contribute toward the fight against water scarcity. Finally, I would like to end my demonstration with the quote, "Save water, secure future." Thank you.